With a flexible device, Dr. Gene Overholt revolutionized the detection and treatment of colon cancer and introduced the medical community to East Tennessee. His story is the focus of tonight's classic Homegrown.
Yeah, well, white coats are kind of scary.
Soft-spoken with a gentle smile, Dr. Gene Overholt proudly wears the white coat just like his father did.
He was one of the grandest physicians.
Overholt knew he wanted to follow in his footsteps in the 3rd grade.
But it was because I could see what he was doing to help people.
Like most boys, Overholt also loved the outdoors, nature, and sports, a passion he shared with his younger brother and fellow physician, Dr. Bob.
He is 50 weeks younger than I am. I call him the big mistake.
Meeting his wife at age 3 was by no means a mistake. There was only one problem. Her twin brother, Bo Schaefer, was Overholt's best friend. Thankfully, she never came between them. They played side by side at West High.
We had a very good football team.
And were even recruited together by UT's General Nealand himself.
He said, "No, I want you to join us in scholarship. Sign here." And that's the way the recruitment went. Seriously, that's the way it went, yeah.
Overholt continued his studies in Memphis and then Michigan. His dad sent him an article on fiber optics, and it came in handy during an interview a week later. The interviewer was suffering from recent procedures to remove a polyp.
He was doubled over. He said, "I apologize. I'm very uncomfortable." And I said, "What we need is a flexible fiber optic sigmoidoscope."
Overholt's idea was a hit, and in 1963, he used the first prototype.
And the optics at that time weren't all that great. And the guy over my shoulder, Overholt, this will never, ever develop into anything good.
After more than a decade of trials, development, and research, his device became the standard of care.
I was pretty much at the top of the game.
Overholt faced a tough decision. Where to next? That's when his old pal, Bo Schaefer, called.
And he said, "Gene, you can go anywhere in the world that you want to go, and you can be a success, but you will never go anywhere where you are loved as much as you will be by family here in Knoxville."
The next day, Overholt and his family moved back home.
What a wonderful decision.
Here, Overholt opened the country's first ever endoscopic outpatient surgery center.
And now there are 400.
He also helped develop photodynamic therapy, which uses laser and medicine to treat diseases like Barrett's esophagus. And Overholt has been instrumental in creating technology for optical biopsies. Ironically, though, the scope that jump-started Overholt's career doesn't bear his name. A professor told him not to patent it, a decision that might have cost him millions.
I'm quite sure that most of it would have gone into charitable causes. That's what I regret, that I can't be a huge funder of charitable causes.
Overholt does enjoy life outside the office and spending even more time with his wife of 52 years and their family.
I'm having the best time.
Dr. Gene Overholt.
Between the professional opportunity and the family opportunity, East Tennessee has made my career.
Homegrown in Tennessee. Just a great man. We certainly appreciate you watching. We send thanks now to Robin and John.